Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Replit. So, first, make sure that you have active accounts on Stripe and Replit. In Stripe, note your API keys from the Developers API Keys section. In Replit, create a new Node.js or Python project depending on your preferred backend language. Now, step 2 is installing the Stripe package. For Node.js, open Replit shell and run this command. For Python projects, install with this command. This will allow your Replit app to communicate securely with Stripe. Now, step 3 is initializing Stripe in your code. So set up a Stripe using secret key in your backend file. For example, this is a Node.js example and this is a Python example. Now, step 4 is creating payment flow. So decide whether you want one-time payments or subscriptions. For example, in Node.js, you can create a checkout session with this. Now, step 5 is connecting frontend to Stripe. So if your Replit app has a frontend, use stripe.js or React Stripe library to handle the payment. Pass the session ID from your backend to complete the checkout securely. Then, you can use Stripe test cards to make sure transactions work correctly. Once verified, switch your Stripe keys to live mode and your Replit app will be ready to accept real payments. And that's it. Your Replit project is now connected to Stripe, allowing secure payment processing directly from your web application. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.